Environmental storytelling is common in games, and it's certainly a thing that we spend a lot of time thinking about. The idea of society sort of failing instantly and being less habited, and walking into a campground or walking into a repair shop and sort of seeing it's almost like a still life that you're capturing right at the end when disaster happens. And all of those details really come together to sort of tell a story, to paint a picture of what might have been happening here, who might have lived here, the choices that we make about the communities that we represent. We feature this sort of rural community that has some new development happening right next door to some older houses. And so you give a glimpse at what, the kinds of things that any community struggles with, and trying to represent that in a game, just again, this looks like a place that I see or I have lived in. It's really important to have a grounded world experience. I think it's also one of the things I really like about the zombie genre is that you don't have to tell anyone on the planet what a zombie is and why it's bad and how they're dangerous, right? So the barrier to entry is just non-existent. Like, everybody gets it. And when you have a broad representation of a cast of characters that allows you to connect with characters in this world, and there's a lot of detail and texture in the environmental storytelling that we're doing that gives you a sense of place, it really lets the player enter the fantasy that we're portraying.